the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear student friend follower, today we are going to discuss about Moodle app. Moodle app, it has been designed to help student, teachers. Teacher or student, they can register themselves. So it is used for the university student. So here I'll guide you how to use this Moodle app. A lot of students, they are worried. They are unable to upload their video. As you know that universities, they have conducted their online classes, but the student, they are feeling problem to use this app. So today in our video, I'll guide you through all process how to use this Moodle app. It's very easy, it's not very difficult. So let's see how to use it. So what you need to do is you just log in. So once you log in, you see that there are your register course, like you got your course research methodology. So you have your course like globalizations, research methodology, general linguistics and stylistics. So these are respective course. Every university, they may be having according to their semester or whatever they are teaching. So the teacher, student, they are following respectively. But now, because we are going to deal M.Phil linguistic or M.Phil literature, so here are some subject in front of us. We have to upload file, we have to access our data, and the certain announcement will be over here. We see one by one. So how to, first of all, let's see how to enroll yourself. We see that how to upload file. For example, I want to upload file related to globalization. So what the thing is to do, here is a simple process you have to follow. First of all, you will, let me clear this. Insert the full. So what we need to do, we have to just upload file. So how to upload file, because students, they are feeling a lot of problem how to upload file. So we'll see how to see like our course. So here is that announcement is over here. Even you can give your feedback. So I have already given feedback has been given, but now we have to upload file. So let's see, open your dashboard. You will click on dashboard. So here is the dashboard in front of you. So all information is in front of you. You have to simply upload your file, because this is the problem lot of students they are facing, how to upload file. Click on manage file. So at the right side of this Moodle, or you can say this Moodle app, but you see on the right side there is a globalizations factor that make English as a lingua franca, like these. It's written because we have uploaded some files. So click on manage file. So once you click on manage file, what will happen? You just click on this arrow. So once you click, so you can download if you have already file. If you want to upload file, you will click on this, choose file what you want to upload. So click over here. So files are whether on your desktop or your this documents or to download, so wherever you got your files, you can simply upload them. So once you upload one, and once again if you want to upload, then click on the choose file, select the one you want to upload. So just click like this, and after that you can upload very easily. So this problem I think has been solved now. It's not very difficult. Just go to dashboard. So after going to dashboard, what you need to do, simply click on manage private file. So once you click on the manage private file, your file will be uploaded very easily. So it's not difficult. I think that now you people can easily upload your file. So it will not be very difficult for you to deal with like this. So hope you got the message. If you got the message, it's okay with me. I will think that my